Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the transform option in Adobe Lightroom. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to import an image. If you want to import the image, you have to click on this import option and then simply you have to choose that image. And after that, after importing the image and choosing the image, that which image you want to edit, simply we have to go to the develop section. And after going to the develop section, as you can see, you will be able to see the transform option here. So we have to click on the transform option. And now as you can see, all the options are provided here. If you want to convert this into a vertical, you can do that. In the horizontal, you can also do that. And in the if you want to rotate this, you can also do that. And the aspect is also provided here. And as you can see, the scale is also provided here. And the offset is here. And the Y set is here. X set and Y set both are provided here. Constraint, as you can see, these all options are provided here. So if you want to use them, you can also do that. And some other options are provided here like the auto and the guided and the full also provided here. You can use them. So in this way you can use the transform option. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the transform option in your Lightroom. So see you guys in the next video.